Hello friends, just think about one question. What do you do when you first wake up early morning? So just think about this, and I'm sure you all will agree that we open our two eyes the first thing in the morning, isn't it? When we wake up, we first open our two eyes. When we meditate, we close our eyes and we go right deep within ourselves. So, eyes are a very important organ, and let me tell you that would you like to trade for it? I'm sure no one will say yes. Even if we are ready to give lakhs and crores of rupees, will anyone give their two eyes? I don't think so. So, just stay till the end of this video because we are going to speak about a very important vital organ of our body, and that is our two eyes. Friends, your eyes speak all the words your mouth couldn't. That is why they say eyes are a window of the soul. If you look into a person's eyes, you will know what I am talking about. The two invaluable things in the world that you opened yesterday morning and that you closed at night. But that was yesterday night. Once you open them today, it proves you're alive. You're alive to enjoy one more day. Have gratitude for that. Thank God for that. I would like to read out something, which is very beautiful. Today, I stopped to buy some candy. The lad who sold it had such charm. I talked with him. He seemed so glad. If I were late, it would do no harm. And as I left, he said to me, I thank you. You have been so kind. It's nice to talk with folks like you. You see, he said, I'm blind. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have two eyes. The world is mine. So friends, always remember that every organ of our body is vital and important, and we should appreciate and have gratitude for the same, that we are blessed, that we are not blind. We can see the world, we can see the positive or the negative, whatever we choose to see. There will be situations that will be positive or negative, but it depends on what we choose to see. It depends totally on us. I'm sure you will all agree it is a matter of perspective, how we think and how we look at the world, whether the glass is half full or half empty. So it is our eyes that choose to see, and it is inbuilt. We can monitor our mind and control our mind in such a way that we can see only positive things. We should train our mind to do so. Also, I think we should train our mind and our thoughts so that we can catch what is right and wrong. For example, if a person is not speaking the truth and is lying, we can make it out if we look at the eyes, the expressions. So that eye language we should be able to read. Friends, every day is a blessing from God, and every day consider it as a new beginning and live life as though it is the end today, so that you will enjoy it the most. Enjoy every moment, but make sure that you live it right and the way you are supposed to. Well friends, this is Amishi Honawar, and I would like to ask you one special request to please comment that how you like the video, because this is something new that I have made. Like my channel if you like the video, and subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so. So kindly do the needful and share my videos to all. Thank you so much. God has given us such lovely beaches, lakes, the greenery, the skies, the flora, fauna, plants, colors, the beautiful surroundings, the hills, the trees, the sunlight, the beautiful colors that are, shown on the sky. It's like the Creator Himself has painted, and every day it's a new painting. So you have got eyes. See outwards whatever is good, and when you go inwards, try to imbibe the good in you. Friends, let us be thankful, have a lot of gratitude, do all the things with love, feel the love and see the love. This is what I wanted to just pass on this message. This is Amishi Honawar signing off, and I hope that you loved my video. I thank you for watching and removing time to do so. Goodbye and have a lovely day and a life, colorful life, because you've got eyes to see. Thank you so much. Friends, this is my special message on today because today is Holi and it is the festival of colors, and I want you to enjoy the colors of life with your eyes. Thank you. Goodbye.